So today I'm going to do a unboxing review about a couple of Majorette vehicles with, a little bit difficult to see, Airstream Sport 16 camper trailer or Caravan. We start with this one right here, and then I'm going to show you this one, both still in the package, and I'm going to show you this one right here from the Volkswagen Original series. I'm going to start with this one. I found this one in a store in France a couple of weeks ago. A video is already on my YouTube channel. This one should be available in many countries in Europe. If you find this set, let me know in the comments so you can help other collectors find what they are looking for. Okay, let's do it like this. No, I'm going to use this knife right here, and then open up the package. There we go. So I'm not damaging the package too much. And then afterwards I can put it back in the package. Yep. Always be careful. Ooh, yes. There it is. Okay. First we are going to have a look at the package. This is also a new one for 2023. Also already available. Also found it in store. Did not buy it. But I can tell you it's a very cool casting, and I believe the scale is 187. Yeah, here we got the back of the package. Some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. And we can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. And we can also see Majorette is active on social media. There we go. First, we're going to take a look at this Land Rover Defender. I'm really curious, what is the scale? 166. Well, that is very close to 164. So I like that. Also like the wheels. And I like that it has wide rims. I believe we have an opening part. Yep, there we go. Let's have a look at the interior. Yeah. Majorette always has a good interior. You don't have to worry about that. Door is also closing and opening really well. You can see it won't fall open. I like that. A little bit of suspension, not much. And here we have lanced headlights, and we see the Land Rover logo here on the right in the front. Defender. I like these black things right here on the hood. White roof, plastic white roof, matches really good with the rest of the color of the car. We got side mirrors, no silver paint, but yeah. I don't mind that. Very good steering wheel. I think that's very important. Makes the car more realistic. Yeah, like I said, good interior. Okay, the base, we've already seen it a little bit. Not much detail. Plastic base, some information, and a BK number right here. Then we have the back with some painted rear lights. Spare tire, unfortunately not the same as the tire that are under the vehicle. So maybe a little bit of room for improvement. And again, the Land Rover logo. And we got the tow bar right here. which I think it is a new version because it's missing the clip on top. But I will show you that later. Not 100% sure, but now that I look at it, I think, Majorette did this before, or is this new? Okay, let's take a look at the Airstream. Really heavy. This is made completely out of die-cast metal. Yeah, no suspension here. And we have an opening part. Yep, there we go. We can have a look inside. There is some interior, something that looked like a kitchen or something. Maybe we can have a better look if I shine a light inside. No, it's very difficult to see. You can do it like this, use another camera position. See that there in the back left on top, it looks like a sink. And there, electric cooking plate. I have no idea. Just my imagination. Anyways, I think it's cool that it has an opening part. Opens and closes really well. Yeah. Airstream, painted lights. You can put a license plate in there. I like that. And a big window here in front. I think the look of this Caravan camper trailer is really cool. And we also have, no, I don't think it's a metal base. This is metal right here. Airstream 172 scale. Okay. It was better if it was a 164. Okay, so this works really well in my opinion. Yeah, works perfect. Doesn't need a clip on top. You see? Okay, let's put it right here next to the other. Okay, let's have a look at this one. The Ford Raptor. With this package, it is here, and with the other packets, it's here and here. Okay, I'm going to do it again a little bit faster. Be very careful when you do this. And trust me, I'm not doing this right. Okay, yeah. Okay. Very dangerous what I'm doing. But I'm always saying, if it works, it is good. Okay, let's have a look at the Ford Raptor first. And I believe this is also a 172 scale, because in real life this is a pretty big car. Let's have a look. Yes, 172 scale. So a very good match for the Caravan. Ford F-150 Majorette, here the BK number. We have some details here on the plastic base. Yeah, I like the rims. Nice black tornado rims. Painted front lights, and here we have an opening part with some details. You will also have an opening part here on the side. No, we don't. Then we... Wait a minute, I have a new light for this. I bought a new light on AliExpress. Doctor examining light. Well, hopefully it works perfect for the interior 164 car. I think it is doing a pretty well job. Nice steering wheel, good interior. Here we have the back. Yeah, not bad at all. So we got Raptor here on the side. This is all metal. This is the thing that I was talking about, the clip. Very good rolling wheels. Yeah, this is pretty much the same as the other one, but we got different tempo here on the side, a star, a moose, it's a moose, and same opening part with the same kitchen, same interior. Yeah, pretty much the same Airstream in the front and in the back. Voila. Very cool combination. And the wheels are rolling really well. Let's put this one right here. Then I have this one right here. This is not the actual set. This one comes with another camper trailer, but I thought this is a really good combination, and that is possible. You can put this Caravan behind every vehicle with a tow bar. And I'm going to show you that in a couple of minutes, because I also have a Mini GT with a tow bar. Yeah, pretty much the same. This one is more simple, just the lights in front and back, Airstream, but no stars or whatsoever. Here you see the rims are white instead of black. I think that's also pretty cool looking. And yeah, here we got the one from Volkswagen Originals with an opening part here in the front. Let's have a look at the interior. See, this is the interior. Back seats. Plenty of room for you and your girlfriend. Okay, yeah, I was talking about Mini GT. Here it is, Land Rover Defender 90 Wagon White. Comes with a tow bar. Still wrapped in plastic. Where did I bought this? I bought this in one of the best hobby shops in the world, Hühnerbein in Aachen, Germany. Did a couple of videos over there. The last video I made there was also the time I bought this Mini GT. They now are selling a lot of Mini GT. They have a complete Mini GT wall. So if you are in Aachen, definitely have to visit that store. It is awesome. If you can't visit Aachen, we have the video. It is on my YouTube channel. Okay, let's open this up. A bit of plastic. Box package, I like that. You can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. You will get the barcode, freeze the frame if you want to read it. More info, freeze the frame. Oh, and we can see Mini GT is active on social media. So here it is, true 1/64 scale, rubber tires, very good rolling wheels, side mirrors with a silver sticker on it, lanced headlights. I like the colors, The vintage colors. And here we got a spare tire that is the same as the one underneath the vehicle. I like that. Nice black roof, also made out of metal, and we got a metal base with details. Yeah, let's just be honest, Mini GT is one of the best diecast 164 brands on the market if you look at price quality. In my opinion. Maybe you have a different thought about that. Okay, here we got the interior. Let's use a different camera. Yeah, really good interior. I was not expecting a bad interior. Mini GT never disappoints me. But the reason I took this Land Rover from Mini GT was because of the tow bar, and will the Airstream fit behind it? Yeah, and I think it looks actually pretty good. Although this one is a 172, let's forget about that. Don't be autistic this time, because I think this is a very cool looking combination. Maybe Mini GT should make a couple of Caravan trailers. And of course, I can also use one from Greenlight, because Greenlight is making Caravans. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a really cool combination. Yes, it's all right to make some car sounds when you're 42. Why not? Okay, thanks everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This Saturday, I will go to a diecast event and a diecast gold mine in the Netherlands. And yes, of course, I will make a video, so stay tuned for more diecast. Have a nice day. Bye.